Very good morning, student. This is Rahul Gar, your maths teacher. Students, as you all know that from today onwards, we are going to start our revision from first chapter, that is number systems. So student, hope you all are fit and fine and be regular from today. Now let's start number system. Now what are the numbers? We have already we are number of time discussing number. So what is the meaning of number? The meaning of number is it is a mathematical object or mathematical symbol, we can say, which is used to count, measure and label. देखिए स्टूडेंट, आप मार्केट में जाते हैं, आप मार्केट में बोलते हैं कि सर मुझे 2 kg मैंगोज दे दीजिए, मुझे 1 डजन बनाना दे दीजिए. तो व्हाट इज द मीनिंग ऑफ दिस 1 2? These are the numbers. How we are using here? We are using here to measure the quantity, to label the quantity, to count the quantity. So a number is a mathematical instrument or say object which is used to count, measure and label. Now what is the meaning of number line? What is the meaning of number line? A line on which we represent our numbers is known as number line. एक लाइन है, सिंपल एक लाइन है जिसपे हम अपने क्या है नंबर्स को रिप्रेजेंट कर रहे हैं एक पर्टिकुलर इंटरवल पे, एक मार्क्ड लेवल पे, मार्क्ड इंटरवल पे, जिसके बीच में प्रॉपर एक गैप मेंटेन होता है. This is my number line. This is my number line. If you see there, this is -1, this is -2, -3. So they are fixed. This gap is fixed. This gap is fixed. So a line on which numbers are marked. Here we are mark the numbers, that is 1 2 3 or -1 -2 -3 at intervals, at fixed intervals. Now we will discuss the different kinds of numbers. The very first number is natural numbers. Now what is the meaning of natural number? All the numbers which you are discussing till the date are natural numbers. The counting number which we use in our class nursery, in which we learn the counting. These all numbers, these all counting numbers are known as natural number. आपने देखा होगा कि जब आप काउंटिंग लर्न करना सीख रहे तो आपने जो काउंटिंग स्टार्ट की थी वो 1 से स्टार्ट की थी, 0 से नहीं स्टार्ट की थी, आपने 1 से स्टार्ट की थी. 1 2 3 4 5. So my natural number which are denoted by n are 1 2 3 4 and so on, 5 6 7 8 100 1000 and so on. These all are natural numbers. And second is whole number. If we add 0 in the collection of my natural number, if I add 0 in this number, that is in natural number, then we will get whole number, and the whole numbers are denoted by W. So whole numbers are 0 1 2 3 4 and so on. We have discussed natural numbers and whole number. Natural numbers are counting numbers and denoted by capital N, and the whole numbers are natural number along with 0 and denoted by capital W. Now what is the meaning of integers? The collection of 0 and natural numbers, this natural number and their negative, means negative of natural number, or we can say the mirror image of natural number. On number line, if you place mirror on 0, then we will get the exact at a same distance the image of 1. This will be known as -1, and the same for -2, -3. These all are known as integers. So in integer we have three kinds of number. First 0, second is natural number, and third is negative of all the natural numbers. And these are denoted by capital Z. These all are denoted by this capital Z. And the examples of integers are -4, -3, -5, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. All are integers. Now, what are rational numbers? Definition of rational number is the number which can be represented in the form of P by Q. The number which we can represent in this form, that is P by Q, where Q should not be equals 0 and P and Q are integer. Here you know the meaning of integer. Mean 1, 2, 3, -1, -2, -3 are known as rational numbers, and these numbers are denoted by capital Q. And examples are 0, 1, 2, 1 by 2, 1, 3 by 2, etc. ये तो आपको समझ आ रहा है कि ये रैशनल नंबर है क्योंकि ये P by Q की फॉर्म में है। तो से ये कैसे हो सकता है 0, 1, 2? ये तो हमने इंटीजर में पढ़ा है, ये रैशनल नंबर कैसे हो सकते हैं? हाउ दिस इज पॉसिबल दैट दिस 0 is a rational number? So my dear student, 0 can be written in the form 0 divided by 1. 0 divided by 1. Similarly, we can write 2 as 2 divided by 1. If we can write any number in the form P by Q, the condition of P for Q is not equal 0 and P and Q should be integer. Then these are rational numbers. So all integers are rational numbers. Now my next number is irrational numbers. This is just reverse of rational number. Means if we can't represent the number in the form P by Q, then this is irrational numbers. The rest thing will be same. Example, pi, √3, √2. Now student, 22 by 7 is approximate value of pi. 22 by 7 is a rational number, but this is approximate value of pi. Exact values something different from this 22 by 7, but we for the convenience we write this as 22 by 7. 22 by 7 is a rational number, but pi is not a rational number. Similarly, √3, √2, these all are irrational number. Now our next number is real numbers. So the real numbers are the collection of these rational numbers and irrational numbers. Means all rational numbers and irrational number makes real numbers. रियल नंबर में मतलब रैशनल नंबर और इरेशनल नंबर को अगर मिला देंगे तो वो क्या बन जाएंगे? रियल नंबर्स बन जाएंगे। और डिनोट किससे करेंगे? कैपिटल आर से। तो ऑल आर द एग्जांपल्स ऑफ रियल नंबर। तो स्टूडेंट रियल का एक अगर मैं एंटोनियम देखूं तो रियल मतलब कोई वास्तविक चीज, तो एक इमेजिनरी चीज भी होनी चाहिए, तो इमेजिनरी नंबर्स भी होने चाहिए। देयर मस्ट बी इमेजिनरी नंबर। इमेजिनरी नंबर्स आर नोन एज कॉम्प्लेक्स नंबर। एंड द about complex number you will study in class 11. They are very interesting. Complex number are very interesting, but now we will not discussing complex number because this is in not in our CBSE syllabus. Now first sum is find 5 rational numbers between 1 by 3 and 2 by 3. हमें 1 by 3 और 2 by 3 के बीच में कोई भी 5 रैशनल नंबर फाइंड करने हैं। तो स्टूडेंट मैं दो मेथड बता रहा हूँ, लेकिन जो आपको मैं स्लाइड की फॉर्म में दिखाऊंगा दैट विल बी द बेटर, दैट विल बी द बेस्ट। फर्स्ट यू कैन solve 1 by 3. If you write 1 by 3, this will be 0.333. and 2 by 3 0.666. and the number lying between 0.333 and 0.66 all are rational numbers between 1 by 3 and 2 by 3. This is one of the method, but we will not do in this form. Then what we will do, to find 5 rational number, we simply multiply numerator and denominator with 6, because we have to find 5 numbers, so 5 plus 1, that is 6. Multiply both numerator and denominator with 6. Now to find 5 numbers, multiply numerator and denominator of this 1 by 3 and 2 by 3 with 5 plus 1, that is 6. तो कैसे क्या बनेगा, अगर मैं 1 by 3 को कि न्यूमरेटर और डिनोमिनेटर दोनों को 6 से मल्टीप्लाई करूंगा तो न्यूमरेटर में 6 बन जाएगा और डिनोमिनेटर में 18. सिमिलरली 2 by 3 becomes 12 by 18. Now all the number lying between this are rational numbers. Say this. Now 7 by 18, 8 by 18, 9 by 18, 10 by 18, 11 by 18, all are rational numbers lying between 1 by 3 and 2 by 3. इन दोनों के बीच में नंबर लाई कर रहे हैं, तो बस आप क्या करो, जस्ट इसको सिंप्लीफाई कर लो. This will cut on 2. Here we will write 4 and in denominator it will become 9. Similarly this will become 1 divided by 2. So the 5 numbers are 7 by 18, 4 by 9, 1 by 2, 5 by 9 and 11 by 18. सिंपल मेथड है, जितने आपको रैशनल नंबर फाइंड करने हैं उससे एक बढ़ाकर आप न्यूमरेटर और डिनोमिनेटर में मल्टीप्लाई कर दो और जितने भी नंबर उसके बीच में लाई कर रहे हैं उनको लिख लो, वो क्या है, रैशनल नंबर्स हैं उन दोनों नंबर के बीच में. नाउ दिस इज योर होमवर्क. यू हैव टू राइट बोथ द in both class work notebook and homework notebook. You have to complete both homework notebook and class work notebook. In homework notebook you will write exercise 1.1. For those students who have already completed their homework notebook, they will just revise this exercise by writing on fair notebook by solving the numericals on rough notebook. And for those who have not completed, they will write neat and clean. They will complete their classwork notebook. In classwork notebook they will write all the slides, all the definitions and formulas which we will discuss in our lectures. Our first question is 0 a rational number? We have already discussed, yes, 0 is a rational number. Then can you write it in the form of P by Q? Yes, we can write this the 0 in the form P by Q. You have to solve this. And my second sum is find 6 rational numbers. Find 6 rational number between 3 and 4. तो 3 and 4 के लिए भी आप क्या करोगे, 6 रैशनल नंबर फाइंड करने, तो 6 plus 1 that is 7. तो न्यूमरेटर को भी 7 से मल्टीप्लाई कर दो और डिनोमिनेटर को भी 7 से मल्टीप्लाई कर दो. तो इन डिनोमिनेटर इट विल बिकम 7 and in numerator it will become 21 by 7. Similarly here this will become 28 by 7. Then 22 by 7, 23 by 7, 24 by 7, 25 by 7. These all are the rational numbers lying between 3 and 4. And this is same which we have discussed. Now fourth sum is state whether the following statement are true or false. Give reasons for your answers. So first is every natural number is a whole number. So student, every natural number, तो natural number कौन से, 1 2 3 4 5 and whole number 0 1 2 3 4. So yes, every natural number is a whole number, but the reverse is not true because 0 is a whole number but not a natural number. So every whole number is not a natural number. And second is every integer is a whole number. every integer is not a whole number, because -1 is my integer but not a whole number. So every integer is not a whole number, but the reverse is true. Every whole number is a integer. And third is every rational number is a whole number. This is not true, because every whole number is a rational number, but every rational number is not a whole number. I am repeating, every whole number is a rational number, but every rational number is not a whole number. Because if we take 6 by 7, 6 by 7 is a rational number, but it is not a whole number. So student, आपको ये एक्सरसाइज कंप्लीट करनी है और अपनी क्लास वर्क नोटबुक और होमवर्क नोटबुक दोनों कंप्लीट करनी है. ओके स्टूडेंट, थैंक यू, हैव अ नाइस डे.